Hi, I'm Michelle from the Automotive Training Centre. Please join us in conversation.
I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force. It's an absolute pleasure to be here in conversation with the good people at the Automotive Training Centre here in Surrey, British Columbia. I love being in conversation with the folks in the regulated college system. They do truly get the importance of focused education that leads to jobs at the other end. And I really like talking to the folks in the automotive sector because they understand what it means to get their hands in, get dirty, real focused learning. And on that note, why don't you introduce yourself and tell me a little bit about what you did before you came into the automotive program.
All right. So hi, my name is Gabriela Gonzalez. Actually, my home country is from Mexico. I'm so happy to be here, actually. I'm so excited to be here. I wasn't expecting to be in the automotive field. It was not an automotive. I was a mechanic in a different field. It was industrial mechanics. More like machinery than cars.
Okay.
I have never I have never seen a car so close in my life until I came here. So
right.
Yeah, it was so exciting. I think it was the first day I was here in the school and I was already getting my hands dirty.
Wow.
It was so fun.
So you were working on machines before,
yes,
but never on cars, never specifically cars. So what made you say, okay, I'm going to get into the automotive sector? What was it that drove you there?
So I actually loved my career before that in my home country, but I felt like I needed a change. I always liked tools. I remember, and I think I actually blame my dad for that. He's always having tools around the house, and I remember playing with them when I was a child. So yeah, I felt like I needed a change. But still I wanted to keep working with tools. Mm-hmm. So I started looking around and I found this place and I was like, okay, cars, that sounds interesting. So I started looking around. I contacted, it was Steven here, and he was so kind, so understandable, so understanding. Mm. And yeah, I loved the place when I saw it.
How long have you been in the program now?
Oh, it's been I think 8 months now.
Wow.
Yes.
You must have gained a lot of confidence in 8 months. Talk to me about that.
Yes. So the first time I didn't even know how to open a hood. So it was like that. Nothing about cars, nothing. So right now I'm actually helping my junior students to understand better of the cars. Yeah.
It's important when you're learning to work on a car that your instructor has done all this stuff before. Yeah. Talk to me about the experience level of your instructors.
Oh, I think there is nothing that he doesn't know about cars. I can actually just talk about something I just saw and he will be like, yes, I understand that, and that's not it. I'll show you, I'll tell you how to do it. Sometimes I've been looking on the internet around, and for example, Facebook, I've been looking at this post of how to fix a car, and he just look at it and he's like, that's not correct. And I'm like, how do you know? And he's like, I know better. And then he shows us that he knows better. So yes,
wow.
He's so patient. He's so experienced. Yeah.
So what does the perfect job look like for you when you graduate?
When I graduate, yes. I'm going to be honest with you. I want to be working in a go-kart course.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sounds fun.
Yeah.
Yes.
To fix those cars?
Yes, yeah. It'll be fun.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah.
Good for you.
Yeah, but if you ask me, many years in the future, I actually would like to be like my teacher, like my instructor. I want to be like him.
Wow. So
I have something that I would like to share.
Yeah.
I was fixing a car one time, and he told me, you need to test, this part is called the starter motor. He told me, you need to test it. And I did. And I fixed it. And then I just came up with the question, how did you know it was the starter motor that was faulty? And he said, because the car was entering, I heard a different noise. And I was like, just by a noise, you know it was faulty. And I was so amazed. I was talking to my family about it for days. That's a very big level of experience.
Wow.
Just amazing.
That's a great story.
Yes.
Just by the noise of the car entering,
the noise.
he knew the starter motor.
Yes.
And that's incredible, isn't it?
Yeah.
I want to thank you for being in conversation with us, and I wish you so much luck at the go-kart.
Thank you.
And then as your job as an instructor. Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you for joining us. To learn more, go to automotivetrainingcenter.com.